Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will be essential for safely opening your device and handling the components. First, power down your Lenovo Yoga 729KB and disconnect it from any power source. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Next, locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is usually situated near the battery. Before proceeding, it's wise to ground yourself using the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. To remove the existing SSD, unscrew the single screw holding it in place with the Torx screwdriver. Carefully slide the SSD out of its slot at a slight angle. If you are replacing it with a new SSD, ensure it is compatible with your device. Insert the new M.2 SSD into the slot at the same angle, ensuring it is securely seated. Once in place, replace the screw to hold it down. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. After securing the SSD, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow away any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling. Now it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely, but not overly tight to avoid stripping the threads. Once the back panel is secured, power on your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure the new SSD is recognized. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore from a backup. If you prefer, we can also provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, replacing the M.2 SSD in your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. Enjoy your upgraded device. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.